Welcome to Learn English Podcast 360. In today's lesson, we will learn easy English words and phrases you can use at school. You will listen slowly, repeat after me, and practice speaking. This video is perfect for beginners at the A1, A2 level. Let's begin with simple words and useful phrases. Vocabulary section, school words. Let's learn some common school words. I will say each word twice. Then, I will say an example sentence. Listen and repeat after me. Teacher, teacher. The teacher is in the classroom. Student, student. Each student has a book. Desk, desk. My desk is near the window. Chair, chair. I sit on a chair in class. Book, book. I read a book every day. Pencil, pencil. I write with a pencil. Pen, pen. Do you have a pen? Notebook, notebook. I draw in my notebook. Paper, paper. Please take one piece of paper. Eraser, eraser. I use an eraser to fix my mistake. Bait, bait. My school bag is heavy. Classroom, classroom. The classroom is big and clean. Homework, homework. I do my homework at home. Test, test. We have a test tomorrow. Lunch, a lunch. I eat lunch at noon. Sandwich, sandwich. I have a sandwich for lunch. Apple, apple. She eats an apple at break time. Water bottle, water bottle. This is my water bottle. Friend, friend. My best friend is in my class. Bell, bell. The bell rings at 8 o'clock. Bathroom, bathroom. May I go to the bathroom?
Door, door.
Please close the door. Window, window. Open the window, please. Computer, computer. We use the computer in class. Board, board. The teacher writes on the board. Marker, marker. I have a red marker. Crayon, crayon. Children draw with crayons. Play, play. We play outside after lunch. Ball, ball. Let's play with the ball. School, school. I go to school every weekday. Subject, subject. My favorite subject is math. Lesson, lesson. The English lesson starts now. Grade, grade. I got a good grade on the test. Classmate, classmate. Sarah is my classmate. Principal, principal. The principal talks to the students. Library, library. I read books in the library. Cafeteria, cafeteria. We eat lunch in the cafeteria. Hallway, hallway. The students walk in the hallway. Schedule, schedule. This is my class schedule. Question, question. I have a question for the teacher. Answer, answer. Please write your answer. Line, line. We stand in line before class. Group, group. Let's work in a group. Break, break. We play during the break. Bell rings, bell rings. The bell rings at 3 o'clock. Notebook paper, notebook paper. I write on notebook paper. Chalk, chalk. The teacher writes with chalk. Folder. I keep my test in a folder. Lab, lab. We do science in the lab. Backpack, backpack. My books are in my backpack. Great job. You've just learned 50 useful school words in English. Listen again if you want to review. The more you practice, the better you get. Let's move on to useful phrases next. Common phrases at school. Now, let's learn common English phrases that you can use at school. I will say each phrase slowly. Then I will use the phrase in a simple sentence. You can listen and repeat after me. Let's begin. Good morning. We say, good morning to the teacher. Let's go to class. My friend says, let's go to class. Can I borrow a pen? I forgot my pen. I ask, can I borrow a pen? I don't understand. In class, I say, I don't understand. What page are we on? I ask the teacher. What page are we on? Please open your book. The teacher says, please open your book. I forgot my homework. Today I say, I forgot my homework. Do you want to play later? At lunch, I ask. Do you want to play later? I need to go to the bathroom. In class, I say, I need to go to the bathroom. See you tomorrow. After school, I say, see you tomorrow. Hello. I see my friend. I say, hello.
How are you?
I ask, how are you? In the morning. I'm fine, thank you. I say, I'm fine, thank you. Please be quiet. The teacher says, please be quiet. Raise your hand. We raise our hand before speaking. Let's read together. The teacher says, let's read together. Work in pairs. We work in pairs during class. Time for lunch. At noon, we say, time for lunch.
I'm hungry.
Before lunch, I say, I'm hungry. This is my desk. I sit and say, this is my desk. I like school. I smile and say, I like school. Let's study together. After class, I say, let's study together. I have a lot of homework. I tell my friend, I have a lot of homework. Don't worry. The teacher says, don't worry. Try again.
Great job.
My teacher says, great job, after my work. Come in, please. Come in, please. The class has started.
Sit down.
Sit down, please. Let's begin. Stand up. Stand up and say your name. Look at the board. Look at the board and read the word. Listen carefully. Listen carefully to the teacher. Write your name. Write your name on the paper. Open your notebook. Open your notebook and take notes. Close the door. It's noisy. Close the door, please.
Come here.
Come here and look at this picture. Go back to your seat. Please go back to your seat now. Turn the page. Turn the page to number 10. Spell your name. Can you spell your name? Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Apple.
Don't talk. Don't talk.
It's time to listen. Pay attention. Please pay attention in class. Who knows the answer? Who knows the answer to this question?
Do your best.
Try hard and do your best. Line up, please. Line up, please. It's time to go to lunch. Pack your things. The day is over.
Pack your things. Clean up your desk.
Clean up your desk before you leave. Let's play a game. Let's play a game to learn new words. It's time to go home. The bell rang. It's time to go home. Is this your pencil? I found a pencil. Is this your pencil? Work quietly. Please work quietly on your paper. Can I go to the nurse? I don't feel well. Can I go to the nurse? You did great. These are useful phrases you can hear and use every day at school. Practice speaking them again and again. The more you speak, the more confident you will be. Let's keep going in the next part with short speaking practice. Let me know when you're ready. 4. Mini speaking practice. Let's practice speaking together. I will say short sentences.
You repeat after me.
Then we will say the whole part together. Situation 1. Going to class. Let's go to class. I have my book. Do you have your homework? Now say the whole part with me. Let's go to class. I have my book. Do you have your homework? Situation 2. Asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me? I don't understand this. What page are we on? Now say the whole part with me. Excuse me, can you help me? I don't understand this. What page are we on? Situation 3. Lunchtime.
I'm hungry.
Let's eat lunch. I have a sandwich and an apple. Now say the whole part with me.
I'm hungry.
Let's eat lunch. I have a sandwich and an apple. Situation 4. After class. Class is over. I have a lot of homework. Let's study together. Now say the whole part with me. Class is over. I have a lot of homework. Let's study together. Situation 5. Talking with a friend.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Thank you.
Do you want to play later? Now say the whole part with me.
Hi. How are you?
I'm fine.
Thank you.
Do you want to play later? Great job. You're speaking more and more English. Let's review everything in the next part. Ready? 5. Shadowing practice. Let's do some shadowing practice. That means you speak at the same time as me. I will say the sentence. Then I will say it again. You speak with me the second time. Let's go. Sentence 1. Can I borrow a pencil? Say it with me. Can I borrow a pencil? Now one more time, a little faster. Can I borrow a pencil? Sentence 2. I forgot my homework. Say it with me. I forgot my homework. Now a little faster. I forgot my homework. Sentence 3. Let's go to class. Say it with me. Let's go to class. Now say it faster. Let's go to class. Sentence 4. I don't understand. Say it with me. I don't understand. Now faster. I don't understand. Sentence 5. What page are we on? Say it with me. What page are we on? Now say it a little faster. What page are we on? Sentence 6. Do you want to play later? Say it with me. Do you want to play later? Now faster. Do you want to play later? Sentence 7. I need to go to the bathroom. Say it with me. I need to go to the bathroom. Now faster. I need to go to the bathroom. Sentence 8.
See you tomorrow.
Say it with me. See you tomorrow. Now say it a little faster. See you tomorrow. Great job. Shadowing helps your brain and mouth work together. Let's keep going and review what we learned next. 6. Recap and review. Let's review what we learned today. We'll go over the key words and phrases.
Listen and repeat after me. Ready?
Let's begin. School words. Teacher, teacher.
Student, student.
Classroom, classroom. Desk, desk. Chair, chair. Book, book. Notebook, notebook. Pencil, pencil. Eraser, eraser. Homework, homework. Lunch, a lunch. Friend, friend. Bathroom, bathroom. Play, play.
Test, test.
Bell, bell. Backpack, backpack. Paper, paper. Board, board. Ruler, ruler. Marker, marker. Crayon, crayon. Clock, clock. Lesson, lesson. Subject, subject. Math, math. English, English. Science, science. Break, break. Now let's review the phrases. Say them with me. One by one. Good morning. Let's go to class. Can I borrow a pen? I don't understand. What page are we on? Please open your book. I forgot my homework. Do you want to play later? I need to go to the bathroom. See you tomorrow. Class is over. Let's study together. Take care.
Bye.
Great job. You listened. You repeated. You practiced speaking. That's how we improve our English, step by step, every day. You did it. Now take a deep breath and say this with me. I can speak English. I'm getting better every day. Yes, you are. Let's keep practicing together in the next lesson. See you next time on Learn English Podcast 360.